Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I am looking at this beautiful 31mm Rolex Lady Datejust. I love the mid-size Rolex watches because I think that they're a great size for an everyday kind of modern lady who wants something that's bigger than the traditional size, a little bit more modern, but doesn't want to go all the way up to a mid-size or something that's too overpowering or too big on the wrist. I think this one in particular is a great watch. I love the simplicity of the oyster bracelet. I actually really like the casual kind of sporty look. I also like the high polished lugs. I think they make the watch look a little bit bigger, a little bit more chunky, and take up a little bit more room on the wrist. A very subtle and small difference from the last 5-digit model number reference, but I think it really does pack a punch on the wrist. This one also has the scattered diamond bezel, which I love. I think that the scattered diamond bezel is probably one of my favorite features from ladies' Rolex watches. I think it's so playful and so fun, and adds a touch of elegance and a touch of playfulness to the watch. I like the simplicity of this black dial. I think a black dial is a great choice, especially if you're getting it as a gift, because a black dial, it's very simple, it's very subtle, and it basically matches with everything. Black matches with almost every single thing in a lady's wardrobe. This one also has a large 6 made of diamonds, which I think is a really nice balance with the Rolex crown at 12, and of course it's got the date at 3. So all around, I think that this watch is a great choice for if you want to get a gift for someone, if you want to get someone a beautiful Rolex watch, but you're not quite sure what to get them, think about getting them with a scattered diamond bezel. It's a great gift. It looks beautiful on the wrist, it's very flattering, and it matches with basically everything. So if you are looking to get a gift for someone that you love, or even get a gift for yourself, you should definitely check out all of our Rolex mid-size ladies watches at SwissWatchExpo.com.